Why? It is not a death sentence.
Oy.
But no one really wants to be single forever.
Really, some people do.
Footy. So if you're looking for love, listen up. Self.com got 12 women to give their insight on being single, how to find love when you think you'll be single forever. I must admit, I know many women who do not want to be single, who are looking for the right partner in their lives because they want to have that experience. I do, however, know several others who are do not interest, who've probably been down this road. They have no desire to have a fixed partner, and they're very, very happy in their singledom. Not because they're broken or anything is wrong with them, because this is what they opt to choose. So I think we need to start with the premise that single does not always equate to lonely.
Right.
Because there are very many single women who are single by choice, because they're just not interested in what might be out there at a particular point in time.
Oh, Lord.
Daily, you've bucked up into what might be out there at a particular point. We all have at some point, and sometimes it's just better to stay by yourself.
I mean,
That's
I
it.
was hanging with some of my friends on the weekend, and I was saying, you know, part of the reason why people hear me say some of the things that I will say is because I know that there is better. I grew up with boys who are now men that I think are perfect examples of what a partner should be, of how men should treat women, of providers, of, you know, so when I don't see it, I know that
it's not it.
I know that's not it. Because
Do you buy
I know
this notion that good men are
exists.
hard to find?
It's hard to find where you're looking.
Okay.
It's hard to find where you're
So it
looking.
depends on where you're searching.
Yeah.
So you need a GPS.
So if you go
better
look in a
GPS.
certain place, not going at the marker and then say joke you.
Correct.
Good.
All right. 12 ways on how to find, 12 women on how to find love when you think you'll be single. 1, every bad date brings you closer to a good one.
No.
Says Sherry M. After every disappointing date, tell yourself I'm one step closer to finding true healthy
No,
love.
sir, Sherry.
I roll. You can basically do whatever, whenever. When I was single, said Geraldine, I loved the fact that I didn't have to answer to anyone. A lot of women are at this place. And it's not a bad place to be. All the worrying in the world won't help.
True.
So you're not going to worry him into existence.
No.
You're just going to worry yourself into
From
sickness.
daylight till midnight, just a lot of mercy. I mean, one not gonna happen for me. And a lot of mercy. Oh my God, no, please. You're not going to attract anybody that
like
way.
that, yeah.
Yeah.
And that drives you to desperation, and then you pick up what you ought to be flanging away. Okay?
Maybe
All right.
Aubrey church sister, so I'm going to stop that, Aubrey. Letting go of expectations can be freeing. Meaning what?
Trevor B says, I was single until I finally got married in May 2014. Never thought I'd find love and walk down the aisle, but I did at 51.
Nice.
I did it by letting go of the pressure and the expectations and accepting my life as it was.
Very important.
As soon as I made peace with being single, I met my husband.
Nice.
They say the best time to find is when you're not searching.
Yes.
So sometimes if you're looking for
you
love,
search, so you overlook and you take up and you know if you take up and you see the rose and you see the maca around the rose.
this maca theme is recurring.
Yeah, maca.
All right. Your eventual SO, is that your soulmate? What is this?
No,
Someone
SO.
other is becoming the right person for you as you read this. I don't know about
Significant
this.
other is becoming the right person for me as I read this.
I tell myself that my partner is being shaped and molded for me as I am for him. I'm becoming the person I want to attract by and doing me. I realize that when I knew my worth, when I know my worth, I won't just allow anyone into my life simply because I want to be in a relationship. That's actually a good point.
I don't know if you should have sit down and think so your significant other is being molded for you though.
Yeah, but I understand
Just-
the part about don't let anybody in the door because you just want company. 'Cause we're going
Right, that's
back to
fine.
Know who you are, know what you're worth.
But to say a significant other kind of counteracts what you said about expectations and somebody's coming and just
Yeah.
loving yourself is most important.
Me love this.
Trust me.
I recently divorced my husband after 15 years together, says Angela. Through working with a fantastic therapist, I spent the last 12 months falling in love with myself. I am still single by choice, but certainly not lonely.
You have to love yourself. If you don't love yourself, it's a problem.
Yeah.
If you think, Lord, me not look good, then every woman will pass, you're going to say, watch him look on that woman there because me not look good.
Got to take care of your own issues and insecurities. Yes. You have the power to make changes for different results. Cassandra says, I pressed the pause button and took a look at my past. What themes kept showing up and why? Ladies, if you lick your head into a wall today and you say, ouch, tomorrow, if you hit your head into the same wall, and then Thursday and Friday, when it lick you back again and it hurt you again, don't say, but yeah.
So no salt your salt, stubborn you stubborn.
Yeah. You don't do the same thing all the time and expect a different result. Chances are, if he's hurt you 15 times, he's going to, keep on doing
being
it.
Being patient is hard, but it can also be worth it.
Yes, sir.
Romantic love is great, but it's not the only kind that can fulfill you.
Correct.
Pretty much everyone has their puzzle piece. I don't know about that.
I don't know.
I don't know about that one there, but look, the point is, don't even think about the puzzle piece. Just be happy with who you are, loving yourself. If I saw it, we go, I saw it, we go. If I not saw it, I'll go. So.
And you find out when you're happy with yourself, you just accept that somebody might or might not come. You tend to kind of run into the right person. I find. That's a story I've heard. My life, I can testify for that as well. That's it for today. Dayla's back. I'm going to get her gift today. I'm going to tell you what she brought for me from Delaware. And on Friday morning, I will let you know. Never also promise me gifts. No, never promise me gifts on Monday as well. So he's going to bring some two sets of gifts on Friday. Woo!
Wednesday on Smile, should ganja edibles be banned?